Hey there, it's Sheri Hill, your Southern California real estate agent right here in the high desert. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if this is your first time checking out my channel, I'm here to be your go to resource for all things Southern California living. Whether you're visiting, exploring, or checking out your options for your next home, thinking about relocating to or from, or even getting ready to sell and make your next big move, I've got you covered. My goal is to make the process as smooth and stress free as possible for you. Today, I'm excited to show you a quick glimpse of this beautifully renovated 5 bedroom, 3 bath home that has so much to offer. If you're an animal lover, you are going to want to check out the backyard at the end. Okay, so let's go take a look inside.
I'm going to play some music. Please enjoy the tour. Do you want to learn more about this home or schedule a private showing? Reach out to me today. My calendar and information is in the description. Till the next one.